The future is here. It's not flying cars or teleportation, not yet. But it's something even more profound: artificial intelligence. We stand at the cusp of a new age, an age where machines learn and evolve, reshaping our world in ways we're only beginning to grasp. Imagine a world where tedious tasks are automated, where complex problems are solved with lightning speed, where human potential is amplified by intelligent machines. This is the promise of AI, a promise that is being fulfilled right before our very eyes. We've all heard about AI, but now it's time to meet the real game changers, AI agents. These are not just algorithms, they are digital entities capable of independent thought, learning, and action, poised to revolutionize the very fabric of our existence. So, what exactly is this AI agent army? Imagine a legion of digital assistants, each specialized in a particular task or field. These agents are designed to operate autonomously, learning from their experiences and adapting to new challenges without constant human intervention. These agents are powered by sophisticated algorithms that allow them to process information, make decisions, and execute tasks with remarkable efficiency. They can analyze vast data sets, identify patterns, and generate insights that would take humans years to uncover. But the true power of the AI agent army lies in its collaborative potential. Just like a well-coordinated team, these agents can work together, sharing information and leveraging their individual strengths to accomplish complex goals. At the heart of every AI agent lies a sophisticated neural network, a complex web of interconnected nodes that mimic the structure of the human brain. This network allows agents to learn from data, recognize patterns, and make decisions based on the information they process. Through a process called machine learning, these agents are trained on massive data sets, absorbing information and refining their internal models to become experts in their designated domains. They can understand natural language, recognize images, and even predict future events with astonishing accuracy. But AI agents are more than just data processors. They can also interact with their environment, taking actions and observing the outcomes to further refine their understanding and improve their performance over time. This ability to learn and adapt autonomously is what sets AI agents apart as a truly transformative technology. Section 4. The power of AI agents unleashed. The potential applications of AI agents are as vast as our imagination. In the realm of business, they can automate tedious tasks, optimize workflows, and provide data-driven insights to drive strategic decision-making. Imagine AI agents handling customer service inquiries, managing supply chains, or even developing marketing campaigns. In healthcare, AI agents can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases, analyzing medical images, and developing personalized treatment plans. They can monitor patients remotely, provide timely interventions, and even accelerate drug discovery. But the impact of AI agents extends far beyond these industries. They can revolutionize education by providing personalized learning experiences, optimize transportation systems to reduce traffic congestion, and even help us combat climate change by optimizing energy consumption and resource allocation. Section 5. AI agents in our midst. The AI revolution is not a distant future, it's happening right now. AI agents are already transforming our lives in subtle but significant ways. When you ask Siri a question, get personalized recommendations on Netflix, or use a navigation app to find the fastest route home, you're already experiencing the power of AI agents in action. These digital assistants are becoming increasingly sophisticated, learning our preferences, anticipating our needs, and seamlessly integrating themselves into our daily routines. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative and impactful applications to emerge, further blurring the lines between the physical and digital worlds. The rise of the AI agent army is not a threat, but an opportunity. By embracing this transformative technology, we can unlock unprecedented levels of efficiency, productivity, and innovation in every aspect of human endeavor. Section 6. Join the AI revolution. The future is not something that happens to us, it's something we create. The AI revolution is upon us, and it's time for each of us to understand its implications and embrace its potential. To learn more about the fascinating world of AI agents and how they are reshaping our world, click the link in the description below. The future awaits.